Imagine this, 18-year-olds graduate on the same day. They wear the same cap, the same gown. They shake the principal's hand, smile for the same photo, and both hear the exact same sentence. Congratulations, your future starts now. 20 years later, one owns his time. He works because he wants to, not because he has to. The other wakes up every Monday with anxiety. His salary is higher than ever, yet somehow money is always running out. Same country, same education, same opportunities. So what happened? Was one simply smarter, luckier, more talented, or did one of them learn something the other never did? Because if education is supposed to prepare us for life, why do so many intelligent people still feel financially trapped? Today, millions of Americans are asking that same question. Nearly 43 million Americans, about 1 in 6 adults, carry federal student loan debt, and the federal student loan portfolio exceeds $1.6 trillion. Think about that for a moment. Millions of people begin adult life, not with freedom, but with a monthly payment. Now, this isn't a story about whether college is good or bad. Education has changed countless lives. Doctors save lives because of it. Engineers build cities because of it. Scientists push humanity forward because of it. Education matters. But here's the question almost nobody asks. What if education teaches us how to earn a living, but not how to build a life? Let's go back. America, a quiet suburban neighborhood. A 6-year-old boy tightens the straps of a backpack that's almost bigger than he is. His name is Alex. His father kneels beside him. Ready for your first day? Alex looks nervous. Dad, why do I have to go to school every day? His father smiles. Because one day, you'll get a good job. You'll never have to worry about money. Alex nods. He doesn't know it yet, but that single sentence will shape the next 20 years of his life. Every morning, the school bell rings. Every year, the textbooks get heavier. Math, science, history, English, one subject after another. Now imagine a classroom. A giant blackboard fills the screen. One by one, words appear. Mathematics, history, science, literature. The board slowly fills until only one empty space remains. At the top of that empty space, one word appears. Money. No lesson, no homework, no exam. Just silence. Alex grows older. Elementary school becomes middle school. Middle school becomes high school. High school becomes college. Late nights become normal. Coffee replaces sleep. Grades become identity. Every exam feels like a step towards success. And finally, graduation day. His parents stand in the crowd with tears in their eyes. His mother whispers, "We're so proud of you." Alex believes the hardest part of life is finally over. 3 months later, his first paycheck arrives. He stares at the number on his phone, smiles, and quietly says, "I made it." Then life begins collecting its share: rent, taxes, insurance, groceries, transportation, utilities, student loan payments, one notification after another. The number in his account shrinks, not because he wasted money, not because he bought luxury cars, not because he was irresponsible. He was simply living the life he had spent 20 years preparing for. One evening, Alex opens his banking app. He sits in silence, then asks a question that millions of Americans have asked before him. If I followed every rule, why does it still feel like I'm falling behind? That question is where this story really begins, because the biggest lesson missing from Alex's education wasn't hidden in a textbook. It wasn't locked behind a university degree. It was hiding in plain sight. And once you see it, you'll never look at money the same way again. This was just episode 1, The Education Trap. Alex is 23 now, and he thinks the hard part is over. It isn't. Next, in episode 2, The Debt Trap, we watch the years that quietly decide whether he ever gets free. Subscribe to this channel so you don't miss it.